Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a S3 bucket using Terraform. Go back to your workspace and create a new directory. I am going to name it as S3. Now in here, create a new file and name it as main.tf. In here, we need to write provider block as well as resource block. I am going to copy provider block from our previous learning. Now we need to write a resource block for S3. I am going to take help from the Terraform AWS S3 documentations. I will leave the link for this documentation in the description area. Now from the example uses, copy the block for private bucket and copy it into resource block area. Now let's understand this part. It is going to create AWS S3 bucket with resource name B. Let me change it to my bucket. Now name of the bucket. We should make sure bucket name should be unique. Let me change it to KT as a short form of knowledge transfer -tf my test bucket. ACL is private. You can use multiple ACL types, for example private, public read or public. We are using tags. Let me remove this out. Now I have only one tag for the name. I am leaving it as it is. Now save this file. If you need to use advanced properties of S3 bucket, feel free to go through the documentation. Here we have multiple examples for each properties. For example, using course, using versioning, logging, and whatnot. Okay, now let's go back to our workspace. Launch a new terminal. Go inside the directory and run Terraform init. Once initialization is complete, run Terraform apply. I am going to use a new keyword here, which is auto approve. Make sure to use this keyword whenever you are pretty sure about the infrastructure that you are creating, as this is going to override the verification check for infrastructure. Now let's go back to our management console and check for the newly created bucket. Refresh your management console. Here it is. This is the bucket that we created just now. Let's go inside it. Check the properties. Check the tag with name my bucket. Let's go back to our workspace and destroy the infrastructure. This completes the learnings from this video. See you in our next learnings. Thank you.